Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this super cute protective style, which is very similar to like a halo braid. It's my take on a halo braid. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. Also, feel free to follow me on Instagram at the Asino Chicks. Let's get started. This is my hair in an afro puff. I had a wash and go, but I had worn it for a couple of days and then, you know, this is it. But here I'm showing you how much my hair has grown over the past like year. When I cut my hair, it was like a collarbone length, and look at it now. And I attribute a lot of that growth to me wearing a lot of braids and a lot of protective styles. These are the products I'm going to be using for this style. They are from Alikay Naturals. I have the Wake Me Up Curl Refresher and the Creme Brûlée, which is like a gel. And I'll be using some water as well. And this is the Curl Refresher, which is a product to refresh your curls, but I do like to use it to do my protective styles because it really moisturizes my hair. The first step is to section your hair into two sections. I'm using a part down the middle, and I'm doing this with my rat tail comb. Then I'm going to clip one side off to the side. And I'm just using my little mirror to make sure everything is looking good. This is the Creme Brûlée, which is like a gel. This product has a really good amount of hold, but it's also really moisturizing, which I really like because my hair is a little dry on the ends because I had Pintura highlights and then I covered them with some brown color. And then I'll be using my diamond brush to detangle my hair and brush everything into place. I'm using my rat tail comb to comb everything down because this braid, for it to look like, it's going to be two braids, but I want it to look like one continuous braid. So I'm going to braid as close to the edge as possible. So that's why you see me here brushing my hair or combing my hair down towards my edges. And I'm going to start braiding. Like I said, I'm going to be braiding really close to the edge. And I'm going to make the braid as tight as possible without like making it too tight where it hurts or it pulls my hair. And I'm going to keep adding hair one little bit at a time because you want your braid to look really polished. And also the better you braid, the longer the braid is going to last. I wore this braid for like, I think like 3 or 4 days. And when I took it out, it still looked really good, but I took it out because I had to, you know, wash my hair. Also, to sleep at night, I suggest you protect your braid so that it would last you a couple days. And you can simply do this with like a satin scarf or a bonnet if you have one. And I'm just gonna keep braiding. I added more of that curl refresher to my ends, and then I brushed it some more just to keep everything nice and tucked away and to not have any flyaways. Then I use like a little rubber band to hold the braid in place. And I'm gonna do the same thing then to the other side. If you guys like this braid, I do have a couple more tutorials with braids and protective styles, and I also have some where I added like synthetic braiding hair. And so if you want to see it, make sure you check out those tutorials. I mentioned to you earlier that part of the reason why my hair has grown so much is because of the protective styles that I do. And the other reason is I do massage my scalp with oil, which I did that prior to braiding my hair. So if you're looking to grow your hair, I suggest you give yourself scalp massages with your favorite oils. I really love to use tea tree oil or coconut oil because that really helps stimulate your scalp and get your blood flowing on your scalp. The one thing I'm going to say about Alikay Naturals, I really like them. I think they use really good ingredients, but as I apply the product, I do see that they create like some like white residue, and then as my hair dried, then it went away. But that is something that I did notice about them. But I really do like that. They are very moisturizing, they're very clean, and they smell really nice too. Then I'm gonna just comb my baby hairs with my rat tail comb. Now I'm gonna add my accessories, and I purchased these on Amazon, but you can buy them like at any like hair supply, hair product kind of store. Lastly, I'm gonna like tie my braids in the back, and then I'm gonna use 2 bobby pins to hold them in place. And that's basically it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to my channel and also to follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for tuning in. Besos, bye.
Tú te alejas pero yo te amo y a Dios le clamo para que regreses ya. Baby, ese es nuestro destino.